What I'm doing here is replacing the hoses, the supply hoses for a washing machine. These type here, they only recommend using them for 5 years. If you have the stainless steel braided ones, I believe they are for 7 or 10 years. And these are way overdue and starting to leak a little bit. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure the water's shut off there. It helps if you have a pliers of some sort. Doesn't necessarily need to be a channel locks. Go ahead and loosen them up off of here. Might be a little water that comes out. Go ahead and unscrew them here. On the back of the washing machine, many a times the valve for that is made of plastic, so you want to be careful on that. Okay, your new hoses will come with a little package of washers. You'll have to place a washer all the way to the bottom there. Push that down, and you can install it on your washing machine. They will be marked H for hot, C for cold. Tighten it down, then take your pliers and give it a little more snugness so it won't leak. We'll repeat the procedure for the cold here. Put the washer in there and we'll tighten that up. Being careful not to over tighten it and break the plastic fitting there. Now we'll connect it to the spigot there. Make sure we put a washer in there. We'll tighten it up. Typically the hot is on the left when you're facing it. And again, we'll just snug it up with the pliers here. Okay, did the identical thing with the cold there. There typically is a decal that comes with it that you can write the date on there of when you need to replace them. It's best to take and put that decal on your machine so you can look at it frequently. Now we'll turn the water on and check for leaks there. And if everything looks good, then you're all done.